Welcome to Rick's Corner, where we talk wrestling. Well, today these ropes have gotten loose on me over the wear and tear and the heat, and my turnbuckles are tightened up all the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and loosen them down as low as I can get. And I have to cut these pads off and then take the rope down, take it apart, and I'll show you how it does. Put it back together tighter, put it back up, and then tighten it. So I'll show you step by step how to do that. First of all, I'm going to show you the turnbuckle so you see what it looks like. There it is right there. Now that has to be loosened. In fact, I'll show you right now this one. When you start to loosen it, you have to do it all the way out. So it's just completely loose where I can take this hook off. Now I have that out as far as it can go, but you can see it's all the way out and how loose that rope is. Next step is to cut these ties off right here. They hold the pads on. And that exposes the rope. Then, tape that holds this closed has to be cut off. Alright, now we got that exposed. These two ropes from there to there override each other, then I have hose clamps that keeps them tight. So I have to do that side the same way. Okay, now they're exposed. Now we can go to work on them. So what I'll do is I'll go down here. That drops the rope down off one end of the ring, and then we'll go back over here. Where are we here? Then we'll drop this turnbuckle off. It has to be straightened out this way and this way. As you can see where they're all joined together. And then you take your drill. You just loosen it all the way out. These are radiator hose clamps, just like you use on a car. But I think I can salvage it. Pull them off. You gotta slide them off of here because they're really tight and they get gummy from the tip. Slide these off, and you can see how the rope comes this way, and there's the two ends. Well, those two ends have to be tightened. So what I have to do, take this off all the way, and then you pull it over, maybe about 2 or 3 inches this way. Actually, I probably could have left this on there. There's my center point. Then I can pull, just a little bit that way and that way. And I'll tighten them up a little bit. You can't do too much because you're doing it a couple inches this way, that way, so that's about 4 inches. And they have to really be tight. And this is manila rope, by the way. Very strong rope. It'll never break. I actually know what I'm doing. Okay, now we'll see. We'll put it back up where it measures up. This is the hard part. Oh, so close. There, we got it. Now we took up all this slack in here, we tightened it really well. And then, see how much space we have now. Once we tighten that up, maybe just a few more inches, this will be snug as a bug again. Put our pads back on, put our tape back on, put our turnbuckle on, and we're ready for the next rope. So this is the center one. Next I'm going to do that one, then the bottom. But that's what's involved in fixing these ropes and tightening them up, and they take a lot of maintenance because this has to be done about once every 3 weeks from everybody hitting them all the time. So next time you ask me about selling a ring or buying a ring or getting a ring, this is just a small part of the maintenance. The ropes should take the beating. They got to be tight. They got to be maintained all the time. The boards underneath break, 4x8 plywood. You got to replace them. You got to turn them. You got to rotate them. Pads, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully this will answer questions when you ask me about ring ropes and what to use. I used to use cable snaps. This shit lasts forever. Hope I informed you on my ring. Stay tuned for Rick's Corner next time, and we're going to do something else. Stay tuned next time for more Rick's Corner, where we'll talk wrestling.